Hey you guys, here at Hutch Mountain, we just wanted to make this quick video. Like, the fire has been devastating and it's burning our beautiful mountain down and power is out. But we are prepared for these sorts of situations. We've got generators, we've got Generlinks, and a lot of you guys are worried about your food and everything else. Let me quickly show you how the Generlink works. Just so you know, we're coming over the mountain with truckloads of generators and Generlinks, and we're here to help out anyone that we possibly can. Basically, with the Generlink, you've got your meter on the front of your house. We pop it off. We get a Generlink. This Generlink goes in its place. The meter goes over the top. And now there's a plug on the bottom. You can take the power from your generator, insert it into your house, and you can supply your house with power. It takes like 15 minutes to install. Super easy to do. It's safe for the lineman. It doesn't backfeed. Garcane Power approved. You guys, if you know anyone who needs help, we're coming over today to help out as many people as we can. Share it, text them. Oh, so like our phone's ringing off the hook right now naturally. If you guys call and you get our voicemail, please text the word Monroe Mountain and you will go to the first line. We'll grab your call and help you guys out as fast as we can. So be safe out there, take care of your families, and let us know how we can help. We love you guys. Thank you so much. One last thing, if you are a certified electrician and you're in the area and you want to help out with the installations, we're getting a lot of calls right now. Please give us a buzz and let us know who you are, and let's just try to help out as many people as we can. Thank you so much.